Hello, everyone, and welcome to the REDCap tutorial for the CASCADE project run by StarSurge and NeuroSurge. My name is Omar, and I am the data lead for the StarSurge steering committee. First of all, you will have expressed your interest via the survey sent out to you. Once we have confirmed that you will be acting as the hospital lead or regional lead for your hospital or region, you will receive an email as follows, which says REDCap access granted. And you can see here that your username will be displayed as follows. Please check the spam or the junk for as sometimes the email will be directed there. So the first thing to successfully create your account will be to set your new REDCap password. So you can set a password of your choice, then re-enter your password, and then click submit. Once that happens, then it will ask you to select a security question. It is vital that you do select a security question and memorize it, because this will enable us to reset your password if you forgot it. Okay, so I'm just gonna enter a random thing and then save. And I'll show you successfully set up your password recovery question. Now to access your project, you go to My Project and you go to Cascade Site and User Registration Survey. To add your hospital, you go to add/edit record and you add a new record. Now, the first one is the center data, and you will see a privacy statement. Please do read the privacy statement by the Birmingham Surgical Trial Consortium on how we use your data, and please share it with your collaborators as well. For any general Cascade inquiries, please email cascade.audit@gmail.com. And for REDCap related inquiries or for login related inquiries, please email us at cascade.redcap@gmail.com. You can a lot of these questions can be answered via our website in the Cascade Hub by clicking here, and we'll open a new tab, and then you can find all the relevant protocol, region lead guide, and a case report form, and REDCap data entry guide. Now, the first thing to select your region, let's say it's a hospital in Europe, and then you select the country. So let's say it's a hospital from Germany, and then you'll be able to search your hospital, and then you can choose which specialty you will be collecting data from at this site or hospital. Now, let's say if you're collecting data from general surgery, urology and gynecology, and vascular and transplant, you need to create a new record for each of these specialties. So let's start with general surgery and assume that once you get the audit registration and Caldecott ethical approval, then you please email us for cascade.redcap@gmail.com. Now, enter your local lead name and first name and last name and the email. And here in the ORCID, please ensure that every one of your collaborators and supervising consultant has their ORCID, a valid ORCID. And please do not enter invalid ORCIDs such as all zeros or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As then we won't be able to give out logins for that individual. And then please enter your supervising consultant information as well as above. Now, then we'll go on to the next form, which is period 1. Okay. So if your hospital is collecting data for period 1, just click yes. This will allow you then to select how many collaborators you want for this specialty. Let's say it's 2 collaborators, and then enter their first name, last name, grade, email, and ORCID as discussed previously. And then what you do is when you finish, just click save and exit form. Obviously, I've not entered all the details, so it will come up with some error here. And then you can click go. And then whenever you want to do another one, you can just add an edit record. And then you do the same thing. We go Europe, Germany. And let's say whatever hospital it is. And then let's say it's urology. And then you do the same for every specialty you want to register. And that's basically it. And once that happens, 1 week before the data collection starts, your collaborators and hospital leads will receive REDCap logins for them to input data on REDCap. Thank you very much.